pasta, gnocchi stands out because of it. It's not right. It's not right. There's something missing. In the world of pasta, gnocchi stands out because of its dumpling-like texture, as well as its ability to hold its own against flavor-packed sauces and rich, hearty soups. Today, I'm going to show you a fast and simple method on how to make fresh gnocchi at home, as well as a few recipes that are sure to bring out your inner Italian. Now, there's nothing quite like making fresh pasta at home, and it's a lot easier than you think. Traditionally, pastas are nothing more than flour, eggs, and salt in the right proportions. Gnocchi, however, takes this to another level by adding mashed potatoes. Today, I'm going to show you a little shortcut on how you can make quick, easy, and delicious gnocchi at home in just minutes. So let's get started. best about gnocchi is it not only makes amazing pasta dishes, but can add a great depth to a lot of your soups as well. Now here's a recipe for one of my favorites, a perfect soup for rainy season. — leek and potato and chicken and dumpling. you thought I was going to end the show without making a dessert. Nah, I wouldn't leave you hanging like that. So let's end this meal with a bang. A delicious dessert, an apple cider gnocchi with raspberry coulis. There you have it. I hope I've shown you that making gnocchi at home can be fast, easy, and fun, and open your mind up to its wide variety of uses. Well, that's all I have time for this week. So if you want to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below, and you'll be sent a notification each time the new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. And if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description boxes. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time.